A lot of times, employers or organizations or banks or credit unions, financial institutions come to financial wellness programs and say, hey, we know what our people need. And here's what it is: it's emergency savings, or it's investing more, or it's more financial education. But I think that really well equipped financial wellness programs should be telling you what your people need. And there are some ways that I do this for my own program. So, how do I know what people need? First of all, I am one of the people that I am trying to reach out to. So, people in my demographic, maybe people earlier in the career, people that make less money, people that are later in the career that have more money. So, I'm one of the many people interested in financial independence, and I'm doing the things that can add to that. And I want to share those journeys and those lessons with the people that are also on that journey. So, whether it's financial freedom or retirement or financial independence, the lessons here should help a lot of people. Secondly, I do a lot of coaching. I work one on one with people who have different types of struggles. I help them through their micro problems. And through that process, I learn about challenges that people have in their demographic or their career or even their region. And so a lot of the theoretical high level information that I also use to help guide some of the development of the program resources are usually good and correct, but they're often lagging what I see when I'm working with real people. And when I see these challenges, when I see these struggles and I get real feedback from people, I can turn around and start making resources right away. And the last thing I do is I'm fairly data driven. So I create a lot of resources. I have thousands of educational videos, thousands of informational articles out there. And I look at the analytics a lot. I look at what's being consumed over the last 90 days, 60 days, 30 days, over the last 24 hours. I can often tell whether people are optimistic about the economy or they're pessimistic by what they're consuming. I can see if people are looking for spending information or saving information. I can see if people are thinking about reinvesting in themselves for their career or if they're thinking about leaving jobs. So, all that real time data helps me understand what people are looking for. And that allows me to be able to serve up more content real time that addresses problems people are having. So, when people ask me, how do I know what people need? That's how I generally do it. So, while you may be seeing what your employees or your members are needing, just remember that you probably have a varied and diverse group of people that you are reaching. And while we can certainly address some of the issues that you've identified, I'm always happy to serve up some of the information that I have as well to make sure that you're giving as many of your people the best resources possible. Hope that helps. I'll see you later.